study titled Punctuation in Action, Speak It Right.
I am Russell Pajardo Magnetico.
I am Lawrence Gallardo Tondogon.
I am Charlene Alboro.
I am Jasmine Tion.
And I am IVJ Haliesgo.
Peace.
In this video, we will show how punctuation helps us understand sentences clearly through storytelling in a short story.
One afternoon, Anna was at home doing her homework. Her teacher asked her to write a message using a correct punctuation. Anna quickly wrote, "Let's eat grandma," and shown it to her brother, Ben. When Ben read the sentence, his eyes became wide. "Wait, what? You eat grandma?" he said, feeling confused and a little scared. Anna laughed and said, "No, I just want to invite grandma to eat with us."
Just then, their friend Carla came in. She looked at the sentence and smiled. "I see the problem," she said. "You forget a comma and apostrophe." Anna looked curious. "What do you mean?" Carla explained. "It should be 'let's eat grandma.' The apostrophe in 'let's' means 'let us,' and the comma shows you are talking to grandma." Anna tried reading it again. "Let's eat grandpa." This time, it sounded friendly and correct.
At that moment, Grandma walked into the room. "What are you talking about?" she asked. Ben joked. "At first, Anna wanted to eat you." Grandma laughed loudly. "Oh my, good thing you fixed that sentence," and smiled and said, "I didn't know punctuation was this important." Carla nodded. "Yes, even a small mark like a comma or apostrophe can change the whole meaning." Ben added, "Like when you say you're coming and you're coming, one is a statement and the other is a question."
Anna continued, or wow and wow. They feel different too. Grandma said, "That's right, punctuation helps express feelings and ask questions and make our message clear." Anna looked at her paper again and carefully checked her sentence, and this time she made sure everything was correct.
From that day on, Anna understood that punctuation is not just small marks on paper. They are powerful tools and help people understand each other better. Never forget punctuation because even a small mark can make a big difference.